What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing because I will be posting a lot more and a lot more recipes, and I do want to start something a little bit different, which is vlog style. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. So today's dish is going to consist of some beef, some shrimp, and now I'm going to get some chicken in just a second. Just took it out. Gonna leave it in water for a while. This as well. Got some leftover shrimp from a previous meal. I think it's the previous video. Don't you guys hate it when you are super hungry and everything is just frozen and you just can't get it to defrost quick enough, fast enough? Well, that's why I'm doing it super early, because by the time I need to start cooking, I hope this has already been defrosted. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take advantage of the waiting process and get other things done. So let's get to it. Most of the time I get up and I turn on the TV and I watch me some YouTube. One of my favorite channels, La Capital. I apologize for the mess right there, my bad. This is one of my favorite channels, one of my favorite cooking channels, which is La Capital. If you haven't watched any of his videos, you should go and check them out because they are really good videos. I've learned a lot from this channel, so yeah. Alright, so because my shrimp has already defrosted, because shrimp takes way less time to defrost, I'm actually gonna make something real quick for lunch. It's already 12 on the dot, so I'm gonna make some shrimp, boiling crab style. I think it's called like the Cajun style shrimp, so stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna make a separate video for that. So for our salsa, we're gonna be using 2 tomatoes, 7 to 9 chile de árbol right here, depending on your spice tolerance. And we got a chile serrano, we got 2 garlic cloves, and some onion. guys, well, this was something like a Cielo, tierra, which translates to land, sea, and sky. And of course I didn't have any flying bird, which is, I think they use the coturnix, quail. I think that's the bird they use for this dish, but of course I didn't have any. And they add other ingredients such as nopales or cactus, Mexican cactus, and many other things like cheese. But I didn't use any of that. I kind of simplified it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.